YouTube, it's feeling froggy here, and I'm about to deck test of my Frog Monarch deck for Whistling Wookie, and it's going against my friend's wind-up decks. He's going first.
Some wind-up Magician.
Yeah.
Trigger wind-up Shark's effect.
Yep.
Activate Magician's effect.